wonderful PU2 champions. I hope my dear children are doing absolutely great. So I'm pretty sure that most of you know about the update about which I'm going to talk now, but we were just waiting for a clarity, official clarity, so that we can give you the proper dates and the timings for your examination. So it's not a surprise that you would be having 2 preparatory examination from this year onwards. So in the month of Jan, rather than being 1, it's 2. But you should not be sad about it. So most of us, I am pretty sure, would be sad, but I'll say it's a good news. Why? Because once you have 2 examination, you would be trying to be more serious. So once an examination is being done, we all get into the relaxation phase, waiting for the next examination to come, and we waste a lot of your time. But over here, since you have 2 examinations in the month of Jan, you will make sure that you are serious, and probably you might end up with your PU2 syllabus even more better, and you might be even be able to give your boards in the best out manner as possible. So yes, now talking about your timetable which is there, it goes around like this. It is going to start from the month of January. The date is 2nd of January and the first examination is of chemistry, followed by physics on Saturday, that is 3rd of January. And if you go ahead, you have biology on Monday, 5th of January. Mathematics, which is at least some of your favorite subject, would be there on 6th of January, that is Tuesday. Going ahead with Kannada, it's on 7th of January 2026. Then you have languages like English on 8th, Hindi on 9th, and the other regional languages as well. So my dear children, make sure you go through that, and all your examinations, the first examination, okay, preparatory 1 examination, are going to end on 17th of January 2026. But we all know there is one more examination, right? Now the next examination, if we see, the timetable is just given in the circular. Well, this circular is circulated to your schools as well, so you need not worry about anything. Now 19th you have Kannada, on 20th. So within a 2-day gap, you have your next exam. So 20th you have English, 21st you have chemistry, 22nd economics. I'll read out the major subjects name. On 23rd you have physics. And then going ahead, you have mathematics on 27th. This time you have 2 holidays for mathematics as well. And 28th you have bio as well as computer science. Going ahead, you have other regional language subjects and things like that. And your examination are going to get over by 31st. So Jan full for preparation. Now I think that makes more sense, and I think you will be more serious, and I'm pretty sure you will be able to ace whatever you think you can. Okay, and wishing you all the best. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more such updates. Wishing you all the best, and be there for the live tomorrow for the question bank series, and watch our Brahmastra series for better marks or the best marks. Bye bye, take care.